Bon, salut YouTube, vous avez pas le previously parce qu'on a niqué un truc en live, mais c'est pas grave. C'est le début du jeu. Hein, enfin, c'est le début de l'épisode, mais vous avez juste pas le previously. Bon, vous avez qu'à regarder l'ancien épisode de toute manière. Allez, bisous. Vous avez qu'à être là en live, hein. Les autres l'ont vu, eux. Hein. Voilà, parce que les autres ils sont fidèles, hein. Pas comme vous. Hein.
About his ties to the underworld. This isn't going away. It's all so public and messy.
People are throwing stones at my family, Alfred. I need to understand why.
It's my family too. Don't forget that. I've been dreading this day for nearly 2 decades. I hoped it would never come.
Forget the papers.
Ce streamer toxique. Ah bah super, merci. C'est pas gentil ça.
The truth is, they were billionaires, Bruce. You can't amass that kind of wealth without making certain moral compromises. It's just not possible. That kind of money taints you.
You kept their secrets for them.
I'm trying to help you understand.
Then try harder!
Where are they? Il est pas content, Bruce.
Bill greased the wheels of politics. Falcone was the muscle. Thomas legitimized the whole enterprise with his name. Your father, Hamilton Hill, and Falcone, they were partners.
Ah bah super! Pour un médecin, dis donc.
In Gotham without them knowing.
You knew all that, and you never let on.
You're behaving like I was part of the conspiracy.
Bah, tu savais quoi.
I had my suitcases ready. I couldn't stand to be around your father anymore. But then they were killed, and you were all alone. And I just couldn't walk out the door.
Alfred est devenu père célibataire.
Everything I've ever done was out of love for you. I hope you can forgive me.
Nous sommes une famille, vous m'avez laissé tomber, donnez-moi un peu de temps. How
could I hold this against you? You're all I've got, Alfred.
Bon, voilà, on est quand même sympa avec lui, hein. C'est bon, Alfred, ça reste Alfred, quoi.
This is the first time I've been back here since that night. When the police called me,
il subit un peu, ça reste un majordome, hein. Comme s'il avait son mot à dire avec Falcon et tout.
I couldn't believe a low-life thug like Joe Chill would have the audacity to rob and kill Thomas Wayne. He was simply
ah, donc là on a le nom du tueur comparé à d'autres versions de Batman.
There it was.
He got careless. Criminals always do.
You always said it was a simple mugging. In 20 years, you've never wavered from that story.
I can recall every moment of that night in vivid detail. But maybe that's wrong.
Sometimes we block out things we don't want to face.
Maybe there was some detail I overlooked.
Oui, parce que là, en 20 ans, son sens, évidemment, de l'araignée va lui dire ce qui s'est passé. Eh bah oui. Examine la ruelle pour faire remonter les souvenirs. Donc salut YouTube, hein, désolé, on a eu des petits problèmes.
I want him standing here, right now.
And what would the Batman do with his own parents' killer? The possibilities are frightening.
Je lui demanderais pourquoi je le mettrais en prison.
I take him to jail, just like any other criminal.
But he's not just any criminal, is he?
Ah, je me rappelle pas des masses.
He was stabbed to death in prison. No one mourns for Joe.
Ah, il a été poignardé à mort. Oh bah tranquille. Bon, il a eu ce qu'il méritait au final. Mais... Bon, en vrai, non. Est-ce que quelqu'un qui tue des gens mérite d'être forcément tué? Je ne sais pas. Mais bon, dans mon idée à moi, il a quand même tué un mec. Enfin, il a quand même tué des parents devant un gamin, quoi. Il a créé Batman, hein. Pas déconner, quoi. Ok, super. Tu m'aides beaucoup.
He just wanted to protect us.
He thought he was invincible. Sadly, he was mistaken.
J'aurais aimé qu'il soit honnête.
Oh, it's just too bad he wasn't honest as well.
He had his flaws, yes. But you more than anyone should be able to appreciate that he was a complicated man.
Bah ça c'est sûr qu'il était un peu compliqué le monsieur. Ah c'est le Wayne, mais attends, il y a tout qui s'appelle Wayne là-bas, hein. C'est pas possible hein. Au secours hein.
Saw it countless times at that theater. How long did it play there?
Only when you wanted to see it, Bruce. Your mother arranged the special screenings personally.
I never knew that.
Oh, sur le chat, si vous pouviez
It's so good to me.
voir un film tout le temps dans les conditions du cinéma, ce serait lequel? Moi, je pense que ce serait peut-être bah Dark Knight, peut-être. Tous les trois Batman au cinéma.
With my father pleading,
On va regarder tout le temps.
you don't have to do this. And the gun.
Les 9 Star Wars. Ah, même les derniers?
After that,
J'avais pas entendu du bien. Hein. Ah, les Batman de Nolan, on est d'accord, ils sont
there
cool.
are considerable gaps in that recollection.
Maybe. Do I really want to know?
Stay back!
Take whatever you want.
Nothing personal, just business. He told me you had it coming. You don't have to do this. Don't fall, Cody. He's making a mistake.
Ah, il s'en rappelait plus qu'il avait parlé de Falcon. Hein. Ah, donc il devait aussi se faire buter, Bruce, dans cette version-là, du coup.
Are you all right?
Ok, ok.
It wasn't a bug. They were assassinated. And Carmine Falcone knows why.
Oh, damn! He's angry. Il est pas content, c'est-à-dire. Autant de violence de... Ah ouais, non, mais bah, c'est ça l'histoire de Batman en soi. C'est juste que là, bon, elle est associée à Carmine Falcone, quoi. GCPD. Elle faisait très casse de comics, l'image. Ils poussent le futur amer comme ça quand même. Hein. Nous, ils ont pas de chill. Hein. Ah lui, on l'a déjà vu lui. Mais c'est celui qu'on a tabassé avec le pingouin.
I pulled all the strings I had with the lieutenant. This better not come back to bite us.
Look, I get that, Harv, okay? And it means a lot to me.
I know it does, Bruce. It doesn't make it any easier. The last time you disappeared behind closed doors with Falcone, the press made us pay. At least tell me what this is about.
Ah, sale gosse pour level up.
Look, I'm all for blind support, but I should at least know what I'm getting myself into.
Je vais dire la vérité.
I'm not sure, but I think Falcone put a hit on my parents.
Wait, what? Bruce, that's terrible.
That's why I have to speak with him. I have to know for sure.
C'est un pote après tout, on peut lui dire quand même.
Opening up to me, but just try and keep it cool in there. I don't want any headlines taking away from my debate with Hill.
Gentlemen, we finally put Falcone in his cage. Now, thanks to the information you gave me, Bruce, he won't ever get out.
Whoa, I'm
Big
sorry.
mustache.
What, information? What information?
Oh, well, I assumed you knew. I was going to contact your office first thing.
I gave him some evidence against Falcone.
More like a catalog of his entire criminal empire. It's a case that'll put Falcone away for life.
Is that a fact?
It's the reason I said yes to this unorthodox request.
Bah dis-moi tout. Il a pas tout dit.
Nice job bringing in Falcone.
Montoya ça.
Son of a bitch
C'est
better not
Montoya
get
ça.
off again.
He's not getting off the hook, right?
Avoir la moustache de Gordon, jamais de la vie.
Sergeant Renee Montoya.
Ah oui, c'est
I just
Montoya.
wanted to say, some of us police support you, despite what the media is saying.
Thanks, Sergeant.
Après, je vais sûrement raser ma barbe un jour, hein. Elle va pas rester non plus longue.
We're keeping Falcone
à
in the
vie, mais-
infirmary. He's lucky he didn't get roughed
Je la
up
voyais pas
more.
aussi fournie.
I could tell Batman wanted to kill him, but he held back. He cares about doing the right thing.
En fait, genre, il me fait peur.
I know he does a lot for the department, but honestly, Batman freaks me out.
Oh, he's definitely freaky. But I'm glad he's out there watching over the city.
Vous pensez que c'est possible un jour qu'on ait une sorte de vigilante un peu comme ça, de protecteur de ville un peu... alors peut-être pas en France, mais aux États-Unis. Je sais pas s'il y en a qui ont vraiment essayé, ou si c'est possible qu'il y ait un mec vachement genre ultra fort, tu vois, qui peut tout protéger. Alors je sais pas si vous avez vu, mais il y a marqué que c'est l'épisode 2, hein. C'est en plein devant, là. Un peu comme Kick-Ass, ouais, dans l'idée, je sais pas. Après Kick-Ass, ça finit pas très bien pour eux. Hein. Les enfants d'Arkham. Déjà le titre j'adore, mais...
The hell? Bruce Wayne? You must have some clout. My own wife can't get in to see me. Good thing I'll be out of here in a week. Just like every other time they tried to put me away.
You know you're going to die in jail.
I'll get witness protection in Tahiti, kid. I'm dying on the beach. Talk like that. You remind me of your father.
Ah, putain, ça, il parle de papa.
Yeah, that's right. Tommy and I were close. More than friends. More like cousins. Going back decades.
Until you sent Joe Chill to kill him.
Ah, so that's what this is really about, eh? The pup digging up a 20-year-old killer.
2 killings, and they were never forgotten.
You and me, we're practically family. I thought you'd have figured that out by now. Hey, I tried to get through to you at Dent's party. Maybe I should have spelled it out.
Watch it, Falcone. I still see some unbroken bones.
Tough guy, eh? I bet you came to kick some answers out of me, huh?
Un petit peu.
Father, Hill, and me, we ran this city. Still do. God damn this pain. Can't think through it. Morphine's on the side there. Be a good boy and help Uncle Carmine out, huh?
Ouais. Est-ce qu'on lui donne la morphine ou pas, le chat? On lui met de la morphine ou pas? Est-ce qu'on soulage ses douleurs? Ou est-ce qu'on le laisse souffrir? Vous savez, quand on a deux choix comme ça, en général, c'est que ça peut être important. Je suis d'accord, Mangel, c'est pour ça que je suis tenu de son affirmation. Bah ouais, écoute, je sais pas, hein. On le laisse souffrir, qu'il crève. C'est vrai que bon, Falcon, il est pas très gentil. Hein. Soulage-le, ça coûte rien. Ah, C? C'est quoi C? Donc on a quand même 2 morts, un soulage-le. Ah, je sais pas, je réfléchis. Attends Falcon, hein, je réfléchis un petit peu. Hein. Soulage. La réponse C, bah y a pas de réponse C. Ça coûte rien, soulage-le, ouais, il y en a 2 morts. Enfin, je sais pas trop. Hein. En vrai, est-ce qu'il faut pas être l'inverse de Batman avec Bruce? Est-ce qu'il faut pas être genre gentil? On va être gentil avec Bruce, je pense. On va être l'inverse de Batman avec Bruce.
40 years I keep my veins clean of any of that gunk.
C'est pas qu'il mérite, mais bon, peut-être qu'il peut parler.
Forget the tender kiss. It'd be so easy to give me the whole vial, wouldn't it? Enough there to put an old dog down forever. Of course, you'd never know the whole story. How much of your parents do you have in you? What kind of son did Thomas Wayne make?
I need you coherent. or you would be gone already.
Oh, there it is. That Wayne streak. Much better, kid. Thank you. Gesture like that reminds me of your mother.
Il a parlé de maman.
Your father may have been the doctor, but Martha, she had the human touch. I think you got more of her in you, tell the truth.
Parle pas de ma mère.
There's a kindness in you.
Ouais.
You care about people. Even mean old bastards like me.
Well, I wouldn't know. You took her from me when I was 9 years old.
But you really think I hired Chill?
Ah oui?
Sure. I worked with Joe Chill from time to time. Put a button on someone, he'd take him out. But I never ordered that hit on your parents.
So who did?
You can't trust anyone in Gotham. Least of all those you call friend. Your parents learned that.
What the fuck?
They're waiting for you in hell!
Mais je m'en rappelais pas de ça.
The bastard had to die.
Je m'en rappelais pas de ça.
Hands in the air! Stand down! Get a doctor! Secure this floor! No one gets in or out! Go! Go!
Bon bah j'imagine que ces vacances à Tahiti c'est pas pour maintenant.
We are in deep shit. I bought us some time, but not much. Word's gonna get out, sooner or later. Why would she do something like this? We had Gotham's biggest crime lord in our grasp. This close, we were this close!
Isn't it obvious? She wanted to shut Falcone up for good.
I mean, this whole damn force is riddled with corruption. Someone must have got to her, Jim.
Just doesn't make any sense.
Elle avait des sortes de veines bleues là à côté là, de la bouche.
Falcone's case meant justice for 1,000 unnamed victims.
Petite lèvre bleue là.
Our disaster. How can I run against corruption when our own cops are redecorating the precinct with their prisoners' brains? Listen, we gotta get out in front of this. We gotta spin it as best we can. Issue a statement saying that we have the shooter in custody. Details are still coming in and that we're investigating. The usual.
Slow down, Harvey. We need the facts first.
The simple fact is she walked in and shot him.
On voit bien que c'est des politiques hein. Ah, il faut retourner le truc et tout
How and why?
pour la presse.
Lieutenant, Mr. District Attorney, Falcone's lawyers are here.
Oh, Christ. I can delay them for a little while, but we still need answers.
Tell me if she says anything. I have to know why she did this.
Et je t'ai dit gros, elle était juste, elle était droguée.
Alfred, Falcone's been murdered.
Good God.
I'm looking into it, but I'll need access to the back computer for anything I find.
Connection secured.
Alfred, I'm gonna try and confirm some suspicions of mine.
Ah oui, non mais elle est bien bleue. Hein.
Fresh injection site. That doesn't look like blood.
Elle a le sang bleu. Elle est de la famille royale.
Her veins, still visible beneath her skin.
Et c'est les veines, d'accord.
Alfred, I think I found the substance.
Il est sympa son iPhone, hein.
Analyze and forward me the result.
Un Android.
Of course. I'll be in touch as soon as I have the results.
Where am I? Mr. Wayne? What's going on?
J'avoue, la meuf, elle doit rien
I
comprendre.
got this awful feeling something terrible happened.
Easy, easy, Sergeant. Gordon and I are gonna get you through this.
Through this? Oh, God. Falcone. What have I done?
Elle s'en rappelle.
I believe you were drugged, Sergeant.
It would explain a lot. Listen, you have to believe me. I talk big about hurting thugs like Falcone, but I would never betray the lieutenant. Everything is so foggy. I remember a sharp pain.
There's an injection site on your neck.
Bah oui,
Just felt
c'est pour ça que j'aime pas les piqûres, on peut te mettre plein de trucs dans le huc.
whatever I wanted. No guilt, no consequence. There was a voice.
Bravo Crane pour le level up.
Here insisting Falcone was gonna get off. And all I knew was that I had to stop that. I had to. No matter what. The reasons why I shouldn't, they were a million miles away.
Did you see a face? Could you ID a suspect?
I don't think so.
You must remember some detail. Try.
I remember a hand on my arm, guiding me, like a parent with a
Le
child.
médecin aime mettre des trucs dans le huc, si tu savais. Le nombre de fois où je me suis pris des trucs dans le huc.
Cobblepot said something similar.
Ah putain, oui, c'est vrai.
I'm so sorry, Lieutenant. I've let you down.
We stalled Falcone's lawyers for now, but they'll be back. So how is she? Did she tell you anything?
Yeah, hey, don't worry.
J'ai trouvé des traces de piqûres.
I found evidence that she was drugged. A fresh injection site on her neck.
I was out of my mind, Lieutenant. Please believe me.
Hey, I do. Of course I do. Hey, get forensics in here. Now!
Oh,
She remembers a
c'est
voice
triste pour
saying
Montoya
something
quand même, moi j'aime bien.
about revolution.
Enfin, le personnage, je l'aime bien aussi dans
That's not
Batman.
much to go on.
Là, c'est réanimé.
Now, if you're bringing forensics in, let's get Bruce out.
Alfred, I gotta get back to the manor. I've got a lead on whoever's behind this.
Bruce,
Encore elle?
what are you doing here? My friends in the GCPD have been telling stories about some kind of lockdown.
I'm sorry, Vicky. I don't have time.
Quel enfer, Mangea.
Word is there were shots fired near where Falcone was being held. Know anything about that? I mean, you must have been back there when it happened.
Always digging for a story, huh?
So it's true?
I didn't say that.
Word is you turned over enough dirt on Falcone to put him in Blackgate Prison for life. A day after he showed up at your house.
Je sais pas, aucun commentaire. Ah mais je remarque Bruce Wayne, il a un petit côté Macron quand même dans son...
I can keep your
Bruce
name on
Macron.
whatever we print, but you need to give me some
Emmanuel Wayne. Il a un petit côté Macron là, vite fait. Hein.
Cop? I can tell by the way you're brushing me off that something happened.
Please, get out of my way, Vicky.
C'est gentil pour Macron. Bah ils sont riches tous les deux. Hein.
Disappointing. Maybe you have more to do with this than I thought.
Non, juste d'autres choses à foutre, meuf, c'est tout. Pas besoin de commenter tes trucs là. Les délires bizarres là. J'avais voir mon cobble bro. Mon cobble pote. Cuba du petit. Elle est un peu raide la pente quand même, hein.
Either Cobblepot drugged Montoya himself or someone else is using his revolutionary rhetoric. Either way, I need to find him. Let's put our drones in the air and start a search. I'll run a trace on his cell. In the meantime, we have to find out what we can do about this drug.
The computer's been analyzing the chemicals from Montoya's bloodstream.
Throw that up on the monitor. The residue I scanned on Montoya is similar to the nerve agent I found at the docks. Let's see what we got.
See what we got.
It's ironic that Falcone died at the hands of someone drugged with his chemicals. Who'd have guessed that's how he'd meet his maker? Prone in his sickbed, surrounded by police who were
C'était pas ça la justice, gros.
Murder at the hands of Montoya. That's not justice.
Whoever did this was
En plus, ça fout Montoya dans la merde.
and executioner. No one should
C'est
have
pas chouette.
all three. I hope he told you something before he was killed. What did you learn from him?
Practically family, he said.
Family? Funny, I don't recall any Sunday dinners with the mob.
It wasn't Falcone who called the hit.
Yeah.
Après, c'est ce qu'il dit quand même avant de mourir. Hein.
Sense. Your father, Hill, and Falcone would have balanced each other out.
Computers pinpointed reference points on the two compounds.
En général, il le vous voit. J'imagine ça dépend des fois. Hein. Alors, échantillon des docks.
The docks were doused with the base chemicals. The reaction was messy. They were out of control.
Ok. Échantillon de Montoya.
This refined drug is like a weapon. It only took a small injection to strip Montoya of her moral filters.
Ça existe des drogues comme ça? Bah, tu me diras tout ce qui est drogue. Oui, il y a beaucoup de drogues qui sont des inhibiteurs de sentiments ou de sensations. Ouais, la traduction des fois elle est pas fou dans les Telltale.
Fighting your wars is one thing, but drugging others to fight them for you.
With this drug, they can exploit anyone's baser impulses. The things they would otherwise control.
Your drones are in position.
La gueudreau, c'est pas bon. Voilà le message du jeu. Pas bien la gueudreau, pas bien. Il est gros le drone de Batman, hein. Bon, on a trouvé, on est des fous. Ok. Là, vous voyez du gros gameplay. Ah, c'est du gros gameplay. Ah, bah là, j'ai jamais joué à un jeu aussi excitant de ma vie. Alors, c'est pas ce qu'on demande au Telltale, hein, encore une fois. Sa tête et ses griffes. Est-ce qu'on parlerait pas de Selina Kyle? C'est vrai que c'est bizarre maintenant quand je dis ce pseudo, c'est Cora pour moi dans mon monde, c'est pas celle de Batman. C'est bon, on est en train de trianguler sa position, regardez-moi ça, paf! Ça mène ici quoi, au Skyline Club. Donc il est à l'endroit où il y avait Falcon et où on était quoi.
Jesus, didn't even wait for Falcone's body to get cold, did you, Oz?
Going to speak with him, Bruce?
Bruce Wayne already tried talking with Cobblepot.
Ah.
It's time he met the Batman.
On dirait qu'il y a Solomon Grundy. Putain, il a une sale gueule, Solomon Grundy. Hein. Il est moins classe que dans la série Gotham. Hein. Attention. Chut. Paf.
You lot, come check out this office. Where is he? I don't know. Please. Names. You can help me.
Il est moche, hein, Solomon. Hein.
Batman. It's about time. You kill a crime boss, you'd expect a word of thanks from Gotham's #1 vigilante.
Ah, c'est lui du coup.
Don't worry, I'll pass your gratitude on to those who made it happen.
You used an innocent cop to do your dirty work. I know how you've been using the drugs you stole at the docks. Where are they?
Is this about Falcone? We all saw how you felt about Falcone. Pounded him into a pulp on live TV. If you were truly the defender of this city, you'd have finished the job yourself. Admit it, Falcone deserved to die. Vermin like Falcone, they deserve to be stomped out.
I don't kill my enemies.
Maybe that's why you got so many. Might be time to reconsider.
Il a pas tort.
As a show of good faith, I'm gonna let this one go. How's about we talk this through? We helped you with Falcone. Now, if we could just cut out the rest of the rot, like Wayne and Hill,
ah bah sympa.
folks might be able to breathe.
What is it about this place that attracts criminal scum like you? You're going to attack the mayor? That's not going to happen.
Attack? Absolutely not. Mayor Hill's role has been decided. Here's the thing. I actually admire you, Batman.
Ouais, pareil, la même chose, mais seul.
The same kinds of things. Me and my people, we've got big plans for Gotham.
Ils ont l'air bien, hein, tes mecs.
They found Catwoman. What do you want with her?
Il est pas charismatique pour 1 franc 50, hein, le Solomon Grundy.
Sorry this didn't work out, mate. I'd stay to watch. I would, but I still got a Catwoman problem to deal with. Oh, what's her name again?
Selina.
Yes! Oh, beautiful name.
Ah, bad ending. On a la bad ending, j'ai pas appuyé sur le bon bouton. Oups. Ah bah là, ouais.
Gonna have to try harder than this.
Et il s'est déjà barré? Ah, il court vite, hein.
Alfred, track down Selina Kyle.
C'est vrai que c'est un S, moi du coup j'ai tout le temps l'habitude de le voir avec un C, moi. Incroyable. Elle est avec ses chats. Petit rototo. Un Bruce qui est habillé un peu en casual. Il est prêt à sortir. Ah, Bruce il part effectivement gérer un peu.
Oh, tunes for drinking, dancing and fighting. Not necessarily in that order.
Je suis sûr qu'ils vont vouloir se taper avec moi, ceux-là.
You lost? Because I don't have time for tourists. Looks like you walked into the wrong bar.
Bah dis donc, il m'accueille pas très bien.
Yeah, I'm looking for a woman.
You wouldn't be the first.
Selina Kyle, I'm told she practically lives here.
Selina, huh? You don't strike me as her type.
You'd be surprised.
Hey, don't I know you?
Ah bah voilà.
It is you. Knew it. The cops take all your fancy clothes? Are you trying to lay low? Of course, you're not really the low-lying type.
Nice to meet you.
Frank. Yeah. Funny seeing you here. So much in the papers. Whole other thing, meeting the man in real life. You're shorter than I thought you would be.
Leave him alone, Frank. Man's just trying to have a quiet drink.
C'est Monsieur Idan en plus vieux. Lui là?
Whatever.
Ouais, je sais pas. Le book c'est pas trop moi, hein. C'est plus Crane, hein.
Selina, I need to tell you something important.
Better be an apology. You were supposed to take care of our mutual problem. Instead, you just pissed him off.
Well, I've met a couple of his goons myself. Your client isn't one for subtlety. The man who hired you.
Manquait les cheveux, ouais.
Oswald Cobblepot.
Never heard of him.
He goes by Penguin.
Penguin? Shit. Ugh, you've got to be kidding me. You should have just killed me on that rooftop. I'm dead anyway. When you screw someone over, you really screw them. The Penguin.
It's not my fault that you're in this, Selina.
J'avoue.
I can help you out of it. Tell me what you know about Penguin.
I only know him by reputation. I'm surprised you never heard of him. He's a big deal across the pond. He's more dangerous than you think.
I grew up with Oz. He's the first real friend I ever had.
I'm not surprised. Questionable morals and a penchant for theatrics. You two have a lot in common. The question is, why Gotham? Why now? It's not like he's hurting for crime syndicates abroad. Why leave that?
He thinks he's changing the world for the better, no matter the cost.
Petit Trévaux, une petite Trévaux.
Joan of Arc, that's for sure. Well, I'm not sticking around here to find out.
Oswald. Penguin is about to unleash God.
Moi je me suis toujours dit dans Batman ils ont quoi comme série parce que bon c'est un peu notre monde à nous. Est-ce que eux ils ont un Walking Dead, un Game of Thrones
You wanna stay? That's your choice. I think I see what's going on here.
Je suis obligé de répondre tout le temps.
Bruce, sweetie, the gallant knight thing, it really is adorable. But what would Harvey think? The two of us, working together. After all, I'm not really an all work and no play kind of girl. Harvey knows that.
You and Harvey, it's pretty clear you aren't just friends.
Please, I'm just toying with him. I only take my claws out for someone special. You and I...
Je crois qu'elle voulait me pécho. Ah, bah c'est les mecs du pingouin, ça.
You were right.
Selina Kyle, Penguin says hello.
Ah. Je crois qu'on va se battre, les gars.
Beat it. We're here for her. If you care about your own skin.
Toujours frapper d'abord. Allez, paf, mais allez, voilà, allez là. Paf. Allez. Mangez vos morts. Ah, ça va être moins fun là. German souplex. Paf. Allez, dans le bar, dans le bar, dans le bar, dans le bar.
Not done yet.
Il y en a encore. Non, pas mal, hein. C'est pas les QTE les plus durs du monde, hein. Ouais, non mais après ça reste des jeux Telltale, hein. C'est les choix qui sont importants, l'histoire que tu vis, etc. Les QTE, bon. Je l'ai vu le film d'animation, il est très très bien. Cette scène un peu cheatée du cul. Oh là là. Je l'aime déjà, cette Cora dans le jeu.
For such a pretty boy.
Un aspect médiatique qui est très important. Oui, oui, bien sûr. Ouais.
Come on, this way.
On aura passé un moment très sympa dans le bar avec Selina Kyle.
Quick, check the alleyway.
Ah, Bruce, il aime bien, hein, j'ai l'impression. Hein. Il est en mode, bon, tu sors avec Harvey, mais pas trop non plus quand même. Hein.
Are we alone?
Yeah, we're alone.
Move. We should go.
Je suis pas un mec simple, moi. Hein.
I'll take the rooftops. You take the alley.
Ah, je suis pas un mec simple. Attends, elle sort avec Harvey quand même. Hein. Tu veux de respect.
Just stay out of trouble.
Now, where's the fun in that? You shouldn't trust me, you know.
Quel enfer. Non mais ça c'est le rêve. Hein. Ça, ce truc là, c'est le rêve pour moi. Hein. Tu prends un truc, tu peux monter en 2-2. Tu la friendzolée là, non? Bah, elle sort avec Harvey techniquement, hein. Même si elle joue avec. Harvey, ça reste quand même le futur maire. Faut bien que je l'entende avec pour l'instant. Hein. Enfin, le futur pour l'instant. Hein. Si tout se passe bien en tout cas.
It's fine. Has the bad computer found anything yet?
Le bad computer. C'est un bad computer.
Mayor Hill?
The last voicemail is his. Listen to this.
I gave you everything I have on Wayne. I've held up my end of the bargain, and I expect you to do the same.
Bah super.
This is very shady indeed. Whatever they're talking about, it doesn't sound good.
Hill is setting me up. Penguin's gonna take a shot at me. If Hill's talking to Penguin, he must know something. It's time I paid him a visit.
I agree. The mayor must have answers, but if I may offer a word of advice. People look up to Batman after how you handled Falcone. Terrorizing the mayor could damage that goodwill. Then again, Batman's methods would certainly get him talking immediately. Bruce would have to depend on his guile to loosen Hill's lips.
Ah, intéressant. Vous voulez qu'on fasse quoi du coup? Est-ce que vous voulez qu'on y aille en tant que Batman et du coup que ce soit un peu plus simple, j'imagine, de le faire parler et mais la presse pourrait être pas contente qu'on abuse du maire? Ou est-ce qu'on y va en tant que Bruce et dans ce cas-là, ça sera sûrement un peu plus compliqué et au moins on sera tranquille avec la presse pour l'image de Batman. J'ai l'impression que dans le jeu, l'image de Batman elle est importante quand même, donc vous pensez que c'est quoi le mieux du coup? C'est y aller en tant que Bruce ou y aller en tant que Batman? En tant que Bruce... Ah, j'imagine que c'est... Ah, alors A pour vous, c'est Bruce, hein. Donc Bruce, ok. Bon, bah écoutez. Attends, en général, les affaires politiques sont gérées en tant que Bruce. Bon bah allez. On va aller en tant que Bruce. Il est dans... Attends, il est dans le... C'est-à-dire... Salut Cravenius.
Going as Bruce is the smart choice.
Ouais, alors monsieur le maire. Monsieur le maire. Ah oui, il est dans la merde. Bah un peu aussi, ouais, il a... On va dire qu'il a plus trop de thunes, quoi. Voilà, ça commence à être un petit problème, quand même. Ah oui. Bravo Max Wax pour le level up.
Sorry, the mayor's busy. Do you have an appointment? The mayor's doing debate prep.
No, so you better tell him I'm coming.
Sir? Bruce Wayne to see you? He'll be right out.
I'm not waiting.
Bruce Wayne? Finally, you've come to see me. Of course, only after your name's been dragged through the mud. Don't get me wrong. I'm glad to see you.
This isn't a social call, Hill. I'm here for answers.
Well, well, straight to business. And I was going to have Deborah make you a martini.
Bah, il ressemble pas du tout à l'affiche, hein.
This city and made it ours. Falcone too, rest his soul. We built everything we have. You were born with it.
On est tellement riche.
A soft boy like you wouldn't understand what it takes to rise to the top.
Oh, I understand.
Hashtag capitalisme.
I gave you everything I have on Wayne. I've held up my end of the bargain, and I expect you to do the same. Sounds like me.
It is you.
So, what's your point? I take it you have one. Or are you just fond of my dulcet tones?
Why attack me? Because of Dent and the campaign?
Please, I have no animosity towards you. I'm in Cobblepot's crosshairs, same as you.
But you fed them dirt on me.
Only the files I seized from Wayne Manor. Your father, Falcone, and I, we had ways of getting anything we wanted. How do you think your family got the land for Wayne Tower?
Dis-toi bien que le pouvoir, d'où qu'il vienne, c'est vraiment de la merde.
Took his family's land.
Ça va très bien avec Batman, cette phrase.
Signed it over to us, along with the rest of their assets.
Even if that's true, it's no excuse for Cobblepot's crimes.
I quite agree. It doesn't hurt to understand your enemy's motives. There's so much more I could share, if only we were friends. I could help you deal with Penguin, let you in on some family history. But I'm caught in a dogfight for my political career, and my rival has bottomless pockets. Now, if that rival were to say, drop out, or his advertising spend were to dry up,
soit on pense à notre gueule, soit on est cool avec Harvey.
have a lot more resources for helping.
Qu'est-ce qu'on fait le chat? Est-ce qu'on reste fidèle à Harvey? Mais du coup on n'aura sûrement pas de réponse de la part du maire. On pourra peut-être les trouver d'une autre manière. Ou est-ce que... Parce que sachant que déjà Harvey là on a eu 2 occasions de le niquer quand même. On pouvait sortir avec Selina, ou en tout cas l'embrasser, ce qui est pas cool pour Harvey. Ou on pouvait... la fameuse main sur l'épaule politique, tout à fait. Ou on pouvait... Donc, ouais, on pouvait ça, et là on peut le niquer une deuxième fois là. Donc est-ce qu'on reste cool avec Harvey, mais on aura peut-être pas de réponse, ou est-ce qu'on s'allie avec le maire Hill, qui était de base pote avec Falcon et avec mon père? Je ne sais pas. Qu'est-ce qui vous chauffe le plus là? Je sais pas. Je sais pas. Je suis bien perdu. Option 3. Ah, ce serait pas mal ça. X. Aucune chance. Graou, je passe. D, la réponse D, la réponse D. Vous m'aidez beaucoup, hein. Ça, c'est-à-dire que vous voulez pas décider, ça. Non, bah écoutez, on va suivre un peu le chat, hein. Je pense pas qu'on va prendre le truc.
Not a chance, Hill. I'm not cutting Harvey loose.
Well, you dropped on your head. When the mayor of Gotham extends a hand, you take it.
I don't need your hand. Not with your voice on tape.
You forget who you're talking to. I'm the man that says I never left such and such a message. And all the judges bow their heads and say, yes, sir. I'm the man who sends the police to your house to take your things, and I give them to whoever I please. You're nothing like your father. You'd never have the backbone to do what we did. I'm the heavyweight, Wayne, and you're punching above your weight. Get out of the ring before you get hurt.
I would never stoop so low. My backbone doesn't have the bend.
Let me put it this way. If that voicemail makes it to the papers, or anywhere else I don't like, I'll turn my commissioner loose on your lieutenant for that fiasco down at the precinct.
Gordon?
And then I'll turn him on you and Dent for being there.
Super.
If you'll excuse me,
bonne
I have a
ambiance.
debate to prep for. Get him out of here.
You know Harvey is going to embarrass you out there.
Dent's campaign is on its last legs. Tonight, it hits the canvas.
It's you who's going downhill. And you're not getting back.
Downhill, ça veut dire... C'est drôle, ça veut dire il va le faire tomber, mais en plus downhill, ça veut dire en bas de la montagne. Il va le faire tomber de sa montagne, vous avez compris la vanne? On adore.
Alfred, get a warning to Gordon. Tell him to increase security at the debate. Hill seems to think he's safe, but Penguin's still out there.
Ah, moi j'ai un masque de Batman, je le pose pas comme ça. Hein. Il est beaucoup trop bien le masque. Ah mais les téléphones qui se branchent comme ça, c'est cool, hein, c'est stylé. Il y a marqué, oh, il y a marqué Google, incroyable.
Lieutenant Gordon has tripled security at the debate.
Thanks, Alfred.
It's a plan of the old Monarch Theatre.
The auditorium where the debate's being held. I hacked into the image feed for the security cameras of the auditorium.
Just to be safe.
Just to be safe.
Hills, details about your father. They must have been quite upsetting.
Bah...
I can't imagine how you must feel.
None of that matters now. The only thing that does is stopping Oz.
The city needs you now, more than ever.
Batman versus Pingouin. Oh, avec sa chaise. Putain, moi j'ai un bureau qui se lève. Lui, il a une chaise qui monte et qui descend. C'est trop classe. Au secours. Ça, c'est le truc avec Falcon. La police avait fait une descente dans la propriété des Wayne. Le dernier sondage indique une égalité entre Dent et Hill. Ok. Le suspect de la fusillade des dogs prend fuite. En fuite, pardon. Assassiné pendant sa détention. C'est Vicky Vale qui l'écrit. Est-ce qu'elle parle de moi, Vicky? Non, elle parle pas de... Vicky Vale, elle a pas parlé de moi dans le truc, hein. C'est cool, ça. Bon, c'est cool. Elle a pas parlé de moi, Vicky Vale. On peut la trust un peu. Donc là, c'est le codex. Pour en savoir un peu plus, par exemple, Vicky Vale, on voit que... on voit un peu ce qu'elle veut faire, etc. On a le maire. C'est un pourri. Et un jour la ville s'en rendra compte. Ah bah ça. Bon après il y a plein de trucs hein, mais on va pas tout regarder. Et hop, on va mettre les caméras de sécurité. J'écoute c'est une Mass Effect Legendary Edition en world premiere sur YouTube. J'ai encore les yeux mouillés. Dans la chanson Live in Her. Ouais elle est bien.
What they want us to see. Warn Gordon that he may have visitors. I have to get down there. Now.
Get down, get down. La Batmobile Ferrari. C'est pas mal. Le bruit qu'elle fait, mon gars.
Harvey needs to get out of there.
Le bruit qu'elle fait. Dieu bénisse. Hein. Cette tête qu'Harvey il avait sur la photo, putain.
Hey, Bruce. Man, I'm glad you called. I needed to talk to you, actually. Something's come up. Something...
Harvey, listen to me. Your life is in danger.
Because of Penguin and his thugs?
Thanks, but there is an army of security here. They have me in some...
La voiture de mon patron fait le même bruit. Ah bah super. Ça doit être horrible. Le fameux...
Bruce, I didn't want to do this over the phone, but
my advisors are telling me that I need
Ah bah super.
That I need to distance myself from you until all this mess with your family blows over. They're afraid it's not a very good optic.
Ouch, Harvey. Talk about a sucker punch.
What with the allegations in the press and now this mess with Falcone,
you're a liability.
But here's the thing, Bruce.
Ah la politique, hein. Politique et amitié, ça existe pas. Ah. Ah bah super Harvey. Alors on parle plus mais file-moi ton... On parle plus mais file-moi ta thune. Ah...
Forget your campaign for a minute. The money won't matter if you're dead.
Yeah, well, until I am, it is still my primary concern.
On parle plus mais file-moi la tunasse, hein, s'il te plaît. Hein.
I need to know. Can I count on your money, Bruce?
Whatever it takes to save Gotham. That's what we wanted.
I'll always support you, Harvey.
Oh, thank you, Bruce. Thank you.
Ouais, bah bof. Hein.
You don't know how much this means to me. To Gotham. I'm sorry, Bruce. The makeup person is here.
Bon, on se parle plus, mais tu me fais un virement toutes les 2 semaines de 500 000 balles, hein, ok?
I hope you can still watch the debate somewhere. No matter what I have to say tonight, remember.
You are always my friend.
Harvey.
Ouais. Bah super. Hein. Le Wayne Memorial Auditorium. Wow.
Batman. Yeah, all quiet so far.
Si l'intro, j'en veux bien un peu, tu sais. Mais comment on le voit pas, Batman? Il a les yeux tout lumineux là dans la nuit là, au secours.
Keep on doing what you're doing, and the rest of Gotham will start to see you like I do.
Je passe souvent un tunnel, ouais, c'est ça.
A hero.
I appreciate the sentiment, Jim. We have bigger things to worry about right now. Your security.
Jim toujours avec son cancer des poumons.
I've got patrols on every door.
You better check on them.
I'd keep that holstered if I were you.
What's she doing here? She was part of that robbery at the mayor's office.
You're gonna drag out that dead horse?
I think she's mending her ways.
Oh, he's right, Lieutenant. I don't do the bad things anymore. Unless it's on request.
Toujours à me draguer, hein, celle-là.
Alpha Patrol, come in.
That, incident in the bar. Dead is
Je bois. Regarde Kamel.
Can't stand being in it. Not that I needed your help or anything, but you had my back. I thought I'd repay the favor. You know, like you scratch my back, I cut some people up.
You don't owe me anything. Those scum had it coming.
And they say chivalry is dead.
None of my men on the ground are responding.
Enough waiting. We're going in.
Alpha, do you read?
Now, aren't you glad I'm here?
Voilà, la bonne petite team là.
You have a better shot than my SWAT team of getting in there quietly.
Je pourrais te faire boire 503 fois. Bah j'irais beaucoup pisser, hein.
Sounds like a vote for Dent, Lieutenant.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome.
Bonsoir à tous et bienvenue dans notre débat en direct. Ah bah super. Ah bah dis donc, ils sont efficaces les troupes de police. Salut. Wow. J'aime bien Catwoman. Non, le jeu est cool. T'inquiète, je vais rajouter des trucs chats. Il faut que je me concentre dessus, savoir ce que je peux vous faire faire. Parce que je peux faire avec. Enfin, faut voir quoi. Heureusement qu'il a triplé les effectifs, ouais. Gordon, on a trouvé des restes, hein. Ils ont été terminés.
As you might have guessed, there's been a change to tonight's program. First order of business, firing the moderator.
I hate to be a downer, but these hostages, I don't like their chances.
They just didn't have a head for the issues.
If we're quick and decisive, no one else has to die.
If you say so. But Penguin's playing for keeps.
Fanatics always do.
You'll do. Get out here. Keep it quiet back there.
These guys are armed to the teeth.
We need a new moderator.
Come on, you.
You there? Yes. You. Thank you for volunteering.
Vicky Vale.
Please, no.
Go on then, introduce the candidates.
Il est classe le pingouin avec un masque de plague.
Stage fright, huh? All right, I'll get you started, but this is your show.
Masque de peste.
3 hostiles. Gotta take them out quietly.
Ok. Bah lui il va prendre la tête direct là sur la table. Attends, il y avait un choix à faire, j'ai pas vu. Ah non, peut-être, je sais pas, j'ai pas fait gaffe. Paf. Attends, est-ce que je peux faire autre chose du coup? Non, bon bah c'est pas grave. Bon, le sbire, on va lui mettre la caméra dans la gueule. Ah oui, c'était annulé l'association, ok. Bah regarde, on prend la caméra, on tourne et on met dans la fif là. Et lui on lui met le projo. Il y a quoi d'autre? Il y a la table, le projo, hein, allez. Ah non, on peut lui donner Catwoman. Attends, bah Catwoman. Vas-y, toi tu chopes ça là. Ah, petit coup de pied là. Allez. Paf. Paf. Oh, ça c'était pas trop beau, mais c'est pas grave. Allez hop, ça c'est fait. Bon, on veut gueule par contre, hein. Faut pas qu'on se fasse choper.
Keep your heads down. Make for the police line.
Très cuir moustache hein, quand même, hein, les tenues hein, de Batman à chaque fois et de Catwoman.
And now, a word from our sponsor.
My gallant brothers and sisters of Gotham, you have nothing to fear. We are the children of Arkham. We are here to end the masquerade.
Ah.
And expose the corruption that ruined your city. For too long, men like your esteemed mayor have profited from the pain of innocence.
This is spiraling out of control. They have no idea about the man behind the mask.
Whoever it is,
ça c'est un nouveau, ça on connaît pas ça.
Someone else get their hands dirty.
Look into the hearts of these spineless creatures. Chosen to
Go on, love. You know what to do.
Allez, un petit vaccin contre le Covid. Hein. C'est de l'AstraZeneca, t'inquiète pas, ça ira très bien. T'auras juste la 5G après. Toi, on t'a mis du Pfizer parce qu'on veut que tu restes. Un épouvantail peut-être. On va voir ce que ça leur fait le vaccin.
Everybody in Gotham saw that moderator get shot on live TV. What's going on in there?
First off, we should incinerate the pool.
C'est du sérum phi, oui possible. Mais ça fait du bruit, ça. Qui ne l'entend pas? Pareil, non mais ça aussi, ça fait trop du bruit, ça.
We're out of time, Batman. The press is going nuts with those two drunks on stage.
Il y a le drone qui passe, il y a un train, il y a tout quoi. Il y a aucun problème.
Roll the tape.
What the fuck?
Subject 9.
I thought your father was dead.
Subject 9, Esther Cobblepot. You've been declared criminally insane.
Je me rappelais plus.
To Arkham indefinitely as a ward of the state.
Please, I'll sell you the land. Please don't do this.
You had your chance. You should have made the deal we offered you. Give her the drug.
Thomas, we're friends. Our boys play together.
You were warned, Esther. You know I always get what I want. Commence the procedure. Give her a dose she won't come back from.
Now you know. Now you will see.
Damn. Papa Wayne, pas hyper cool Papa Wayne, hein. Et c'est pour ça que du coup Cobblepot il en veut à Bruce. Ah mais j'ai pas le temps. Oh mais j'étais en train de vous parler. Bon c'est pour ça qu'il en veut à Bruce quoi. Et ça on l'a déjà vu ça. On est obligé de le remater? Oui bon bah tant pis. Ah non vraiment pas cool Papa Bruce hein.
I thought your father was dead.
C'est-à-dire que le mec, il a quand même... Le mec, il a quand même utilisé une amie, c'est quand même des amis, il lui a infligé une sorte de sérum et tout, parce qu'elle a pas accepté le deal. Donc tu m'étonnes que Cobblepot, il nous en veut de ouf. Genre, bah après, les sins of the father are not the sins of the son. Les péchés du papa sont pas ceux du fils, mais bon quand même. J'aimerais bien un troisième œil. Allô? Pourquoi? Ah pour le Covid? Pour le vaccin? Ouais. Ah ça servirait à quoi un troisième œil hein?
Now you know. Now you will see.
Batman! You certainly know how to make an entrance.
Go!
Why don't you kick the crap out of him?
Ah! Ah bah mon drone!
Please, I made an end.
You could never.
That was all Wayne, not me. I took out Thomas Wayne. That was all him. He didn't know when to stop. I had him killed because of it.
Ah putain c'est lui qui a tué Thomas. C'est lui qui a tué Thomas.
Right, your turn, Dent.
Ah.
Where's your mate, Bruce Wayne? Your biggest supporter, and he didn't even turn up. Batman! The revolution's already started! It's too late to join!
Let Dent go.
And what if I don't?
I'll crush every bone in your body.
I knew you'd say something like that.
What the fuck? Qu'est-ce qu'on fait? Ah! Ah, on est de qui? Excusez-moi, on est de qui? On est de Selina Kyle ou on est de Harvey Dent? Ah. Ah, je ne sais guère. Selina. Séminaire, ok. Selina. Et donc Aura. Selina. Aucun des deux. Pour le LOL, Selina. Dent, il est capable d'acrobatie, peut-être. Après, Harvey, c'est pas se défendre en principe. Bon, il a mis des bonnes droites quand même. Selina. Ouais, Selina. Je crois qu'on vient de créer un problème. Je crois qu'on vient de créer un petit problème, hein.
Harvey.
Where's the maniac in the mask? We need paramedics over here, now!
City Hall is in chaos after Mayor Hamilton Hill was confirmed dead.
While several members of the children
Prévisible sur 20 un petit peu.
have been arrested, the Penguin is still
Du
at
coup, si tu aides Harvey, il devient pas double face. Je sais plus du tout, ça fait trop longtemps que j'y ai pas joué. Après, peut-être qu'il devient pas double face maintenant, mais peut-être qu'il le devient quand même, je sais pas. Après, dites pas sur le chat, hein, on garde comme ça, bon. Au moins, ça nous laisse l'impression qu'on a des choix.
Meanwhile, the Wayne family scandal continued to escalate after the full list of Thomas Wayne's victims was released to the public.
Damn. Papa Wayne, pas cool, hein. Oh. On a Selina Kyle qui fait un petit dodo sur le canapé. On a bien fait de pas l'embrasser.
Lawyers representing Bruce Wayne have no comment at this time.
We are the children of Arkham, and we have opened your eyes.
Nous sommes les enfants d'Arkham et nous avons ouvert vos yeux. Alors, avez-vous soulagé Falcon de la douleur? Vous et 70% des gens ont soulagé Falcon de la douleur, ça c'est bien. Avez-vous embrassé Selina Kyle? Oh, ah bah, tout le monde a voulu... Non mais, les gens ils ont pas de race, hein. La vie de ma mère, les gens ils ont pas de race en fait, hein. Donc nous on est des gens bien. On pécho pas la meuf... On pécho pas la meuf d'un pote. Et eux, Zoubida quoi, hein. Ils y vont au taquet, hein. Au secours. Ah ouais, non, mais c'est ouf, ça. Avez-vous rendu visite au maire Hill en tant que Bruce ou en tant que Batman? Et bah 57% des joueurs, ils sont allés en tant que Bruce Wayne. Avez-vous arrêté de soutenir la campagne de Harvey? 91% des joueurs ont continué à soutenir la campagne de Harvey. Avez-vous sauvé Selina Kyle ou Harvey? Et bah on a sauvé Selina Kyle à 62% avec les joueurs. Waouh. Et mesdames et messieurs, prochainement, donc du coup demain on fait du Legends of Keeper et après-demain. Donc après-demain, attends après-demain, oui vendredi, oui. Après-demain, la suite, bien sûr. Et on va voir ce qui va se passer, du coup, dans le prochainement.
Next time on Batman, the Telltale series.
You may have saved me, but this isn't over. You don't know these people, Bruce.
Authorities are scrambling. The so-called Children of Arkham have the city in a frenzy, but there's still no sign of their masked leader. With Hill and Falcone dead by their hands, the question on everyone's lips is, who's next?
After that news about your father sending innocent people to Arkham, sounds like the whole city wants your head on a pike.
The Waynes have always run this company, but now...
They want to decide what your future at this company will be.
Do you really think Bruce Wayne is worth protecting?
What do you want from me?
You know what I want.
No more hiding. Not for anyone.
But don't worry. Bruce Wayne's finally gonna get what's coming to him. Bruce! Bruce!
Ok. Ben voilà, du coup, les choses qu'on aura dans la suite de Batman, de Telltale Game. Des bisous YouTube. Des bisous. Nous, on reste encore un peu en live. Hein. Ne vous inquiétez pas. Ah, la transition, elle galère un peu. Hein. Petite bâtarde de transition, va. T'en veux pas. Oh, des bisous YouTube. Hein. Super. Hein. Prochain épisode, ça s'appelle le Nouvel Ordre Mondial. Hein. Ça va être fun. Salut YouTube.